It is Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway dock. I'm sneaking in a little bit earlier, but wanted to get out here and show you some of these beautiful plants that are starting to come up to the dock. Let's walk through the dock. First up here, we're looking at double knockout roses. All the roses are trimmed. They got buds and blooms on them. They're looking fantastic. You get some drift roses. You can see here they are loaded with buds, guys. All the varieties are loaded with color, and this will give you a lot of nice shelf life and a lot of beautiful flowers coming up here. Here we're looking at hibiscus. This one happens to be sugar tip, but all the varieties are looking good here, bud and bloom. And I said just grabbed a few of them here. We got the white chiffon, we got the paraplu, here we got the pillar reds, we also have purples. Again, great selection of hibiscus loaded with flower buds. It's about these last week. This is Itea. We have several varieties of Itea. This one happens to be Henry's Garnet. You know, this is a great three-season interest plant with the spring blooms. Then you get this gorgeous shrub, and then in the fall color is stunning on Itea. Lily is another one. I think Dad's going to talk a little bit about that, but you know, this is just showing some of the pugsters, but we have so many varieties that are looking great right now, bud and bloom. So here we're looking at some of the 5-gallon endless summers. And then coming down here, again, more drifts. Here we're looking at coral and red, and again, all the drifts are loaded with buds like this, guys. The eclipse in the background there. Then coming down here, we have Nepeta. This one is called Kitten Around. So there's several varieties of Nepeta coming on board, and you can see here tice plants loaded with buds. All the Astobi are looking good. They trimmed them. Nice big heavy full plants. Not a lot of flower buds, but big heavy full plants for your landscape. Boy, look at the buds on those sedum pure joy. We see the echinacea in the background. We have Pravaskia. We have Coreopsis. Here we have more Heuchera. Here we have the variegated iris, geranium roseans, echinacea. Lots of perennial color. These are landscape grade 5-gallon Ilex glabra densus. Another look at the Buxus Little Missy. Again, nice full heavy plants. Then coming over here, another perspective, we have the 3-gallon glabra densus. Again, nice heavy threes. Again, you can see the textures and colors in the background there. We're looking at Hamlin grass. We're looking at blue-eyed grass there. I believe those are cinnamon sticks. Coming down, we have Globosa aurea. Coming over, they got Little Missy. Here we have Mop Cypress in threes. And this is Kodiak Jet Black. Plenty of great looking Hackanola, all golds. Beautiful color on these. We have some more grasses. This is Carl Forrester in a 3-gallon. A lot of these 3-gallon Mop Cypress going out. Good value on these. A popular one, these are 2-gallon Tater Tots. Then going over, looking at Morning Light in the background there. And then this is Worry Free, the non-invasive grass bandwidth. 3-gallon Limelights. So that's nice, heavy 3 gallons there. Then backing up here, we're looking at the Aronia Viking, 3 gallons. So we're going to see several varieties. There's Kodiak Orange, we have Kodiak Red, we have several varieties of the Duravillas. They're a very tough plant for the landscape, provides a lot of color with this foliage textures and a little bit of summer bloom. They're not really known for the bloom, but as we've seen in that jet black, that really stands out at times. So be sure to check the Duravilla. That's a great shrub for your landscape. Here we have Cornus Ivory Halo in threes. Look how clean that foliage is. The guys are doing a fantastic job keeping the foliage clean. Beautiful plants. Fantastic grade and value on these 3-gallon emerald green arborvitae. We'll mix here. We have Randus Fine Lines in threes, Prunus Estina in threes. Then coming down there, a nice consistent pull on the 3-gallon green velvets. You know, the guys have done a fantastic job on Mr. Bowling Ball. Look at that size and grade. Here we're looking at a little larger. These are green gems and 5s. Another peek at Bowling Ball. We have the Fire Chief, another great plant for fall color. 3-gallon Alberta Spruce. Spin over there, you can see the backside of those Duravilla again. Wow, look at those 3-gallon nut spruce. I'll give you a peek at the 5-gallon green velvets. Again, nice consistent crop, good numbers, ready to ship. Here we got another fantastic crop. This is Syringa Palabinium Myrae in threes. Size and grades on these 7-gallon Texas Hicksite. Plenty of values on the arborvitae. Here we're looking at some 7-gallon. We have 15-gallon emerald greens as well. And then there we're looking at green giant. We also have the full speed of hedge in 15s, full heavy plants. Here we have the 7-gallon. These are junior giants. Sneak peek there, and the one on the corner is a 7-gallon densiformis. Coming up here, nice full heads on these 7-gallon bloomerang dark purple. Some 7-gallon Pisces ABs. Got a nice heavy grade on those. Chamaecyparis obtusa are looking really good. Then spin off to the end there, you see the 7-gallon hydrangea limelight trees. Just starting to bud up, so nice big full heads, good value there. Jet maples are still going out. Here we have some 15-gallon crimson prince. Nice big oversized plants. Coming over here, we have some 15-gallon cherries. Again, these are a little bit lower in stature, but beautiful size heads to these. It's a quick walk through the dock. You can see we got some gorgeous perennials, flowering shrubs, trees. Great looking plants here, guys. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.